I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks. This and that, spitting slow, spitting fast. I could roast, I could gas, think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past and the pettiness. A reflection of the emptiness, hilarious. You think you're worth my time, you're delirious, mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior. Inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains at last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last, yeah. Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Gonna learn the consequence of being incompetent. Mental health is confidence, dreams and some honestness. I'm not here to save the day, that's for you to take away. I could play a million mind games, but instead I say something not illogical, something that is topical. Grab it on and let you go, make yourself unstoppable. Dreams are irresponsible, but they're always possible.
So this is how the house we took up. It's located in Westlands, somewhere along Church Road. Let me start first off with the kitchen. I like the sense of how can I put it? The sense of security in case there's a fire. We have a fire extinguisher here, and there are hoses all over the place, all over the building. My story. So we got a kettle from the building, salt of course. We have this electric burner. This is where we've been doing most of our cooking. Have some chapatis here, dishes. And one thing I like about the kitchen is it has hot water. It has a heater down here which turns on and off. You switch it on and off. It's really come in very handy considering it's very cold in Nairobi, so doing dishes with warm water has been a life changer. It has a small balcony here which we haven't really used at all. The light, because yeah, you just end up looking at another building, so we haven't really used it. And we have two fridges in the lift. The owner was very gracious enough to let us have two fridges. We have this big one over here, we have that one down there next to the water dispenser. We have a cooker, microwave of course, which we've also done some baking. Very lovely counter here. I like these lights. Oh, one thing with this, there's also like getting around. So there's some information here in case you want to use taxi or anything. We have some numbers there you can just get. In terms of laundry, there's also another poster. Delivery food, pantry. This is basically to help you get around in the neighborhood. We also have the house information, TV operation and all that. There's a dining table here. It's a 4-seater, that's my computer. It looks kind of untidy because I'm an untidy kind of person at times. Our shoes. I love this sort of cloth material. We have TV here. We have Zuku internet, Zuku TV decoder, and that's the view outside. It's really cold today. My son hanging out. We have a very nice ethnic painting here. And I love the color of the walls as well. I love the ceiling. One thing with the ceiling lights is they're not turning on. I don't know, could be a problem with the wiring or something, but I still like the design. So that's the kitchen. So this house has 2 bedrooms. So this is the one of the bathrooms, 2 bathrooms as well. We usually have the house cleaned every 2 days. That's one of the perks of this house. And every 2 days you get clean set of towels, all that. Garbage bin over there. This is the largest bathroom here. It has hot water. And we'll go to the other bedroom. So this is it. This is this. Is it the first or the second? I don't know. Anyways, so it has a lot of my kids stuff lying around, suitcases and all that. Their bed. I also noticed that this house has a safety deposit box. It's over there, but I've put clothes all above it because I'm not really using it. It has its own dressing table, mirror. Then we go to the other bedroom. This is it. One thing I love about the house, it's pretty spacious. Lots of space to put anything you want around. It also has another dressing table. You get an ironing board and iron over there. And this is the other bathroom. This is the one I've been using mostly because it's nice and small. Hot shower as well. Clean towels. We get those every 2 days, and today was laundry day and cleaning day. So, and every bathroom has this as well, so it's pretty good. I wish the house had a heater though. It's been really, really, really cold. So that was the house tour. Did I miss anything really? No. We have this big mirror in case you want to check yourself out before you walk out the door, but yes, anyways, this is a really good house. I definitely recommend it again, and I'm definitely gonna come back here. And the cost is pretty it is affordable. I'm gonna leave the link of the house on the description box below in case you might want to come and check it out. And the host is very responsive. In case you need anything, in case there could be a problem, she has it sorted out almost immediately. And plus you should see, hey, the Luo in me, she also used to check up on me every other time just to make sure everything is okay and all that. I really enjoyed and love that. Thank you, Sarah, much appreciated. So yeah, so I guess I'll stop the video of the house tour over here, and I'll continue on another section later on. Peace. Bye bye house. See you next time.